SOLIDWORKS Composer. With SOLIDWORKS Composer, you can easily reuse your existing 3D models to rapidly create and update technical communication content parallel with product development. It is the tool that allows you to repurpose your 3D engineering models for creating graphical content to explain processes and procedures in technical communication such as manufacturing assembly instruction, product manuals, installation guides, service manual, training guides, marketing materials, and many more. With the intuitive SOLIDWORKS Composer interface, you can create highly detailed 2D and 3D graphics with precise control to highlight areas of interest and focus on specific components. You can also output them as 3D interactive animation to create a realistic 3D environment for impressive user experience during training or presentation. You no longer need to compromise your communication and relying on rough drawings to show your concept or wait until your design is finished. With SOLIDWORKS Composer, you can now start documentation earlier in the design process and keep real-time synchronized with your design data and update it whenever there's any design changes. As a conclusion, SOLIDWORKS Composer can be used by designers, engineers, and even non-technical staff, helping you to improve the product deliverable quality, saving your time, and avoiding data disconnected. Contact us now if you want to explore more about SOLIDWORKS Composer.